Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the router model and firmware file name so you download the correct update. Connect a laptop to the router with an Ethernet cable for a stable link. You will avoid a corrupt update. Log into the Virgin Media Hub web UI using the admin password. Use the printed default or your portal credentials. Once logged in, locate the firmware section. Make sure to keep the session active and do not close the browser while preparing the update. Next, download the official firmware to your PC and, if possible, check the file hash to confirm integrity. This reduces risk. In the router web UI, choose the firmware update or manual upload option, then select the downloaded file. Click Install and watch the progress indicator. This process often takes several minutes, and the router will reboot automatically. Once the reboot starts, do not unplug or power cycle the device. Interrupting it can brick the router, so remain patient until the admin page returns. Finally, verify the firmware version shown on the status page and test your internet by loading multiple sites and a speed check. If settings changed, restore from a configuration backup or re-enter Wi-Fi names and passwords. Make sure devices reconnect. If the update fails, retry the process over Ethernet, then re-download the correct file. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to recover the hub. Because that clears corrupted states, remember to reconfigure your network afterward and keep a backup for next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.